Hello, and today we are going to be installing the MySQL server on our Ubuntu. Now we already have Apache and PHP installed on our Ubuntu, which links for that are down in the description. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out by typing in sudo apt-get install mysql-server. Apt-get install. And when we press enter, yes, and it's going to go through and it is going to go ahead and install everything that it needs. And once that is done, we're going to set up a secure installation, and then we're going to answer a few questions and set up a new password. And then once that is complete, we're going to go ahead and open it up and show the databases to show that it correctly installed. But that's going to take place in a couple of minutes once this finishes installing. And it looks like it's going to take a little bit longer. The nice thing about having PHP and the Apache server already installed is those three go together pretty much synonymously. The Apache server works well with PHP. PHP can use MySQL to make calls to it and bring up data from the databases. Alright, and it has installed that. So next we're going to do sudo MySQL secure installation. Okay, now it's going to start asking a few questions. And it's going to ask connecting to MySQL using a blank password. It can be used as test passwords to improve security. It checks the strength of passwords and allows users to check those passwords. Would you like to set up with Validate Password plugin? You know what? We're going to click yes. Alright, and there are 3 levels of password validation policy: low, medium, strong. We're going to go with strong. So 2, and making that new password. Do you wish to continue with the password provided? Yes. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database and access to it. Just because. Yes. Reload privilege tables now. Sure, why not? All done. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start up, let's see, sudo MySQL dash user root password. Asking for the password, providing the password that I typed in, And we are in SQL. SQL is installed and it's now running. So next, we're just going to show databases. And when you execute a command in MySQL, it's a lot like PHP in that you have to use a little semicolon. And there's the database. Alright, and that concludes our install SQL on Ubuntu. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe.